Hello everyone and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquitalvluxury. On today, I have an LV unboxing that I want to share with my YouTube family. I have actually been waiting on this item to come in. My CA never had it in the boutique. So when she finally got one, hey, I paid for it and it was sent to my home. So I am going to share the unboxing, of course, with you guys. Before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquitalvluxury. Now that we got all that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started. So I did a previous video on the colorful Alma BBs that were coming out. You know that they came in the sunshine yellow, the blue, the dragon fruit pink, and of course the beautiful money green color. So there was one color that I was very interested in, and my CA didn't have it. Like I said, it didn't come into the boutique. And so once it came in, she contacted me. I was like, okay, ring it up. Send it to my house, and guys, here she is. So we are going to unbox together, and I'm super excited. So get the box open, and some of you probably already know the color, but let's see how she looks together. So let's do the countdown: 3, 2, and 1. And I never have the bag out on one. Oh my gosh. But guys, here it is, the beautiful green Epi Alma BB. And guys, it has silver hardware. Here it is. So I finally have it in my hands. And guys, it does have the embedded LV symbol here. And here she is. Let's get it open. Let's take out the strap and we are going to get in some details. And at the bottom, it does have the silver hardware feet, as all Alma BBs do. And the padlock here in silver. And let's get her open. And I am exposing the beautiful green microfiber interior. Take the strap out. And here it is. And it's no bigger than any other Alma BB that you have in your collection. It has the side card slot pocket here, no zipper. Very beautiful, very soft. And let's get the product code number. I honestly believe this is the hardest one to actually get your hands on. I have been seeing all the other colors, the sunshine yellow, the blue, the dragon fruit pink, and all of the LV boutiques, but this green is most definitely hard to get. You're not going to see it in the boutique. So you probably have to reach out to a CA, and it is orderable, so you will have to contact the customer service line, the LV customer service line. The product code number is M59357. And the receipt is here. With tax, I paid $2,413.98. Online, I believe it's $22.30. But as stated, with tax, $2,413.98. And it does come here with the bag tag with the key inside for the padlock. And so guys, here it is. And I am going to put the strap on. And as you guys know, if you watch previous videos, I am not a big fan of the placement of the Alma BB straps. Like I said, it's on opposite sides. And here is like the little D-ring opening to where the strap goes. As you can see, it doesn't have it on this side. It has it on this side. So that's where you can tell where the strap is supposed to go, the strap placement here. And then on the opposite side, it has the same opening here. So let's put the strap on. Let's get into some details on the strap. As we all know, guys, we are actually fighting with LV about these straps that they are placing on these bags, because they are not adjustable. They're very, very short in length. I'm not sure what's going on with LV. You guys know I've been talking about this lately. I'm not sure what's going on, but this strap is very, very short. Very short. Of course, the end, silver hardware. And beautiful colors against this green. It's like a pink, a pink cream, and a brown, a light brown. Here. And the flowers here, it's like a fuchsia outlined in pink. So this isn't white, it's more of a cream color. Okay, so let's put the strap on and see the actual length of the strap with the Alma BB. It's the same as the Speedy 20. I'm pretty sure it looks exactly the same. So here it is as stated on this side. Here it is there. And on the opposite side. Okay, so I am going to step back and show you how it looks as a crossbody. And as always, I'm 5'4", just for reference, guys. This is not meant for a tall person. It is not. It's not meant unless you want your bags to be here at your breast. But this isn't even to my hips. You guys know I usually like my handbags here at my hip. But this is above my hip. So I'm not sure where LV is going with these short straps. Maybe they're just using it as a decorative piece on the bag, but it's not. It's a no for me. This one's definitely a no. So here it is as a crossbody. And over the shoulder. Maybe it's meant to go over the shoulder. I don't know, because it's actually better this way over the shoulder versus the crossbody. The crossbody is most definitely too short. So here it is over the shoulder. Or of course, my favorite way, you can carry it as a tote and have it right here in your forearm, like I said, as a decorative piece. And here it is. So guys, let me know what you think. I already have the review on how I feel about this bag. And honestly, it was, I actually like how it looked better online on Instagram versus me having it now in my possession, in my hands, guys. For me, this isn't a keeper. This isn't a keeper. I'm just honestly telling you right now. On this channel, you know, we're honest. I am not keeping this. I'm not keeping this bag at all. To me, it's plain. You know, I'm too creative. There are a million other green bags that will give me a wow factor. I know I usually keep the bags for like about 5 to 7 days and they grow on me. This one, I know for sure it's not it. So if you do have this bag, I applaud you. You know, everyone has different tastes. You might have a banging outfit with some shoes, but I believe I can honestly go and purchase another green bag to where I can actually have an adjustable strap, or it's just more decorative. Like I need more than just a green bag. I need it to stand out more. Maybe if it had the monogram trimming, I don't know, maybe if it had gold hardware, monogram trimming, and not this strap. Okay, so let me show you another Alma BB that I have in my closet, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, because as I'm doing this video, I'm just not understanding what LV has going on. So let me grab another Alma BB just so I can give you guys just a view of what I'm speaking on what LV most definitely should have done with this bag. So I went and grabbed one of my Verni leather bags, and do you see the monogram trimming? Okay, I know some people love bags that don't have like the monogram. You don't want a bag that's flashy. Some people want to carry bags and do not want it to appear as a designer bag. And I believe this is why they created the Epi leather bags, because you don't see the monogram all over the bag like you do this Alma BB. But I think that they should have went that route. This would be beautiful. Keep the color, but have the monogram all over the bag with the monogram canvas trimming, just like this. Just like this. This needs something added to it. But like I say, LV, hey, they probably was catering to another audience. You do have people, like I said, that do not like flashy bags. But for me, I'm too creative for that. This is too plain, and I believe they just stuck the strap on there just to add to it, but they added the wrong strap. They added the wrong strap. So I believe like if they had a monogram canvas trimming, like a little canvas trimming, just like this, it would have been perfect. And a lot of you guys don't even know when this bag came out, as you guys can see, this came out in the sunshine and also I believe the black. And the black sold out. The black sold out. I couldn't get my hands on it. So the original strap, let me just open up and show you guys, is actually sunshine yellow. And so I was going to purchase the sunshine bag like this and just use this strap. But guess what? It doesn't make a difference because the strap isn't adjustable, but it is longer. So I most definitely was going after that yellow bag, the sunshine yellow Alma BB. But then after getting my hands on this green, I wanted something different. Not at all. So this isn't going to work for me. But a lot of you did not know about this. I just really don't show it because it's no need to, because I'm never holding my bags like this when I'm walking. But I just use the Pochette Matisse. The Pochette Matisse strap, and I added on here the monogram Pochette Matisse strap that I always use. And I just keep this one, if I'm not using it, I just keep it stuffed inside because it is the original strap. And it also has these the same Epi leather sunshine strap, and it is somewhere around this house. It's somewhere, but it came with a bag tag just like this, but it was in the Epi leather. Okay, and it was the sunshine color. So I am going to see if I did actually purchase the sunshine Alma BB. And let's see how the strap will look and how long it actually is. But of course, it's gold hardware. This was silver. So it would have went anyway, unless I tied a bandeau or something around it. And I also love the colors green and yellow together as well. But let's see. The strap is longer. And yep, it most definitely would have been longer, guys. Versus the original strap. The original strap, I believe it was like right here. So the strap is longer. And this is what LV did. They missed the mark. They missed the mark. Because I believe they do have some Epi leather Alma BBs online with just these regular Epi leather straps. I believe they do. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of the Epi leather, but here it is. This yellow and green is so cute together. But they're very plain to me. So if you do have this bag, let me know in the comments. Did you keep her? Did you return her? And if you are interested in the bag, I'm hoping this video brings all the details and answer all the questions that you want. But for me, it's a no-no. I will be returning this bag. I just believe my $2,400 can be put to some other bag, or I can just keep my money and wait until something just really gives me that wow factor. Like I said, I usually let bags grow on me, but this most definitely isn't going to work for me. I'm too creative. I just need more. Like I said, if it was like the monogram print, I will go for it. And if it had the canvas trimming just like this, it would have added to the bag. It would have. So, and this is with the gold on here with the silver. So guys, it's a no for me, but I am so happy I was able to share because, hey, I have to grab these things. I have to get these things when they're actually coming in stock with my CA, because I was going to beat myself up if I didn't try it out. But here it is, guys. The Alma BB in the beautiful green, the money green. And she is going back. So guys, thank you so much for sharing this unboxing with me. Let me know in the comments how you feel. If you do have any colors that came out in this beautiful Alma BB, please share with me. I do want to know. This is, like I said, a beautiful bag, but it's just not creative enough for me. You know, I need to be wild. I need to stand out when I walk out, you know? That's how your girl roll. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Like I said, don't forget to comment. Let me know how you feel. Until next video, stay safe and stay blessed, and bye-bye.